is Benji back, and I know like I post every week, but sorry, I have the hiccups, but I just can't wait. I can't wait. I've been waiting 2 days to show you guys this. I don't know why it's two of the exact same figure. There's just happened to be two, and my mom surprised me with, and like a lady from my mom's work gave me two. So we got a Finn Balor, the one that Kevin got. Sadly, Kevin's not here today. I am gonna call him after this. Probably won't be on video though. So yeah, Elite Series 82. Oh, this is gonna be an unboxing video, and I'm gonna like rate them, my favorite figures and stuff. Like which one's my favorite more than the other, and I'll show you the other one after. Alright, I cannot wait to see this Finn Balor. Oh my gosh. This is such a nice figure. And finally, I have, this is very exciting. Let me just go get him out of my figure bin. This is gonna be so cool, cause I got the Demon King and Elite Finn, so it's gonna be cool. Let me interchangeable hands, of course. I have that in that bin right there. Right now comes this hand, and I love the cloth shirt, the Balor Club logo on that. Let me take the shirt off. Wow, this is such a nice figure. Yes, guys, I can't believe this. I like this figure a bunch. Like, this is probably my favorite. No, not my favorite figure, because I have my Demon King, which is probably my favorite figure. But I don't know, man. But hey, whoa, that hand went down. Sorry, guys, I'm just changing the hands. Because there. Wait, wrong. Alright, I love this Balor. This is one of my favorite figures. I have a bunch of figures, but I bet it's like not even close to my favorite, because I have over 130 figures. Like, I have a lot of figures. I have over 120 figures. So I bet like I think this is my favorite figure, but I have so much figures in that bin that I just can't see that are my favorite. But look at this, guys. This is an amazing figure. Amazing shirt, amazing hands. This is such a nice figure. I can't explain how cool this figure is in my opinion. Anyways, we got one Finn. I love this figure. One Finn. This is the Elite Series 84. This is the exact same figure, but this is Top Picks. Top Picks, as you can see. And I have the AJ Styles that it comes with. Seth and Braun. Oh, I have this whole Top Pick series. Yeah, okay. Sorry, I got spaced out a lot. But let's open this Finn Balor. It's the WrestleMania 34, I think, from Miz 2018, Miz, Rollins, and Finn, of course. Alright, get this Finn out. The rainbow knee pads, rainbow boots, rainbow jacket, leather jacket also, man. This is so cool. My first ever figure unboxing, I think. I don't know. I'm gonna try to get the jacket off. Jackets are hard to get off. especially not the ones that aren't cloth. And they're like this. Dang. I don't want to break the figure, but I want to get it off. Oh my god, why is it so hot in my house? Sweating. I can't get this. Oh my gosh. This is so hard to get off. Doesn't come with interchangeable hands, so I can't take the hands off to help. I don't know, man. Come on. Alright, I'll just get the jacket off after. But look at this. Look at this. Wow. I just got that off. Wow. I'll try again, but I may have to do it off camera. I like this figure so much. Yay, that's progress. I got one sleeve out. And the other. Alright. Whoa, this is such a detailed figure. Oh my gosh. Look at this figure. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. I love this outfit that he was in at WrestleMania 34. What nice figures, man. That's unfortunately all we have today. So, yeah, but amazing unboxing. My first ever unboxing, I think. But yeah, guys, I mean, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, smash the like button, and if you want to get in, I'm gonna do wrestling content for a while. So stay tuned and comment down below if you want like more if you want more unboxings. But yeah, guys, Benji out. See ya next week with Kevin. Actually, it was gonna be in my next video. Anyways, see you guys in the next one. Peace, and don't forget to smash the subscribe button and hit the like button. See you guys.